Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a look at the top 5 best drones on AliExpress for 2026. If you are searching for a powerful GPS drone, a professional 4K camera drone, or a beginner-friendly quadcopter with smart features, this video will help you choose the right one. I will cover product information, real-world performance, pros and cons, and finally help you decide which drone offers the best value for your money. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. New S-X1 Max GPS Drone, Professional 4K. The S-X1 Max is a professional-grade GPS drone equipped with a 4K camera and a 3-axis mechanical gimbal. It features brushless motors, stable GPS positioning, return-to-home functionality, and a foldable design. The remote controller includes a large built-in display for live FPV viewing. This drone is designed for users who want smooth cinematic footage. The 3-axis gimbal delivers very stable video even in windy conditions. GPS flight makes it extremely easy to control, and the large screen remote eliminates the need for a smartphone. Overall, it feels solid, reliable, and well-suited for aerial photography and video recording. Pros: true 3-axis gimbal stabilization, sharp 4K video quality, large screen remote control, strong GPS performance. Number 2. SG-109 Pro Max Mini GPS Drone 4K. The SG-109 Pro Max is a compact professional drone featuring a 4K HD camera, GPS navigation, and 5G Wi-Fi FPV transmission. It comes with a 4.5-inch display built into the remote control and is designed to be portable and easy to fly. This drone is a great option for users who want advanced features in a small body. The 5G FPV connection provides a smooth live video feed, while GPS keeps the drone stable and secure during flight. It performs well for casual photography and travel use. Pros: compact and lightweight design, 5G FPV for smoother video transmission, GPS-assisted flight, built-in screen remote. Number 3. Potensic Atom 2 Professional GPS Drone. The Potensic Atom 2 offers 4K video recording, 8K photo capture, long-range transmission up to 10 kilometers, AI night tracking, and vertical shooting modes. It includes the PTD-1 remote controller and advanced intelligent flight features. This is the most advanced drone on the list. The camera performance is excellent, especially for photography. AI tracking and night shooting modes make it ideal for content creators. The long transmission range and stable GPS system give it a premium flying experience. Pros: 8K photo and high-quality 4K video, long control range, intelligent AI tracking features, professional-level performance. Number 4. L600 Pro Max Hot 4K GPS Drone. The L600 Pro Max is a GPS-enabled drone with dual HD cameras, a 3-axis gimbal, brushless motors, and 360 degrees obstacle avoidance. It's designed for safe and stable flight, making it suitable for beginners and intermediate pilots. Safety is the biggest advantage of this drone. The obstacle avoidance system helps prevent crashes, while GPS flight ensures smooth and stable control. Dual cameras allow different viewing angles, which is useful for creative shots. Pros: 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, stable GPS flight, dual camera system, beginner-friendly controls. Number 5. LYZR L200 Pro Max 4K GPS Drone. The L200 Pro Max features dual 4K cameras, electronic image stabilization, 5G FPV transmission, GPS navigation, obstacle avoidance, and brushless motors. It's a feature-packed drone at an affordable price point. This drone offers excellent value for money. The dual camera setup adds flexibility, while EIS helps produce smoother footage without a mechanical gimbal. GPS and obstacle avoidance make it easy and enjoyable to fly. Pros: dual 4K camera setup, electronic image stabilization, GPS and obstacle avoidance, good overall value. If you want the best cinematic video quality, the S-X1 Max is the top choice. For compact travel and casual flying, the SG-109 Pro Max is a solid option. For professional photography and advanced features, the Potensic Atom 2 stands out. For safety and beginner-friendly flying, the L600 Pro Max is a great pick. For the best balance of features and price, the L200 Pro Max delivers excellent value. All product links are available in the description below. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more tech reviews.